As an artist is way easier than the podcast.
That's what I'm saying.
It definitely is.
The podcast
Definitely.
mans them, they don't like us. They're like,
Your podcast is a part of the non-for-profit. The podcast earns a profit because it's a separate entity through business and media. The non-for-profit helps out the community. Through that, link 10 brands. They'll pay you for the rest of your life.
Yeah, you wrote this down.
Niggas gotta learn about what brand deals are, dog. There's a million brands. There's 5 brands watching you right now. You don't even know.
Facts.
That need promotion.
So just work with the brands and get the money in.
I don't know why more artists don't do
I
it.
feel like when it comes to like those numbers on like the internet and stuff like that, yeah, Mac have 1 million followers, but like we know the bots are real. But like if you think it in, like some people's fan bases, they're not even where they live. Like their real fan base is not even where they live. So I definitely there's a degree of bots and shit involved, but like sometimes your shit might be.
Or to add to your point, sorry, it's not where they live, but it's not even a concentrated fan base at all. It's like so scattered across the world.
Yeah.
It's hard.
That like it's like 10 people here, 5 people this city, 20 people this city, and then it accumulates to 1 million or whatever.
That's what it is, but it's hard to reach all those people. Like the internet has kind of made it harder to get that success or create that true fan base because your fan base can be is such a wide region. Like
Social media isn't what it once was. It's not social anymore. It's interest media now.
Yeah, it is
You
interest media.
put me on
It's
this,
shifted.
you know
Yeah, I
what I'm saying? So it shifted from, oh, let me fucking meet 1 million people to now, if people don't fuck with what I'm doing, they're not even gonna look at it.
yeah, but now it's shifting to do our interests align, and people have millions of interests. So like, do you like food? Do you like this? Do you like that? So one person could follow a certain brand because they just like one thing, but are they true fans of that thing? No.